Hello guys, welcome to our maths class. This evening we are going to just do some small work here, and we want to learn something small here. It's indeed small and very easy to understand. Now to calculate the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. So number one, before you calculate or you determine the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, you need to understand some few concepts here, which I want to help you to calculate the determinant of a matrix given. For today, we are going to see how you can find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. A 2 by 2 matrix means it has 2 rows and 2 columns. For example, it has 2 rows and 2 columns. A 2 by 2 matrix. So before you find the determinant, the very important concept that you need to understand is, so for example, we have that 2 by 2 matrix here, that is 4, 7, 5, 8. So we have that. So a 2 by 2 matrix, it has 2 diagonals, and they're the ones that we are going to use for us to determine the determinant of a matrix. So 2 diagonals, that is, we have this diagonal. You need to know them. We have this, and we have another one. So this one is known as other diagonal. This is the other diagonal. And we also have this one. We have this. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing here. We have also that. This is known as the main diagonal. It can also be referred to as the leading diagonal. So after you understand that, so the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix now is calculated as follows. You find the product of the main diagonal minus the product of the elements in the other diagonal. So that is the product. So this is the determinant written as that is equal to product. Hope you are following that. Product of elements, product of the elements in the main diagonal. You subtract, right, the product of elements in the other diagonal. These are simple as this. So the elements that I'm talking about, that's just a formula, a simple formula of calculating the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Hope you can see that. Determinant written in simple form as that. So the products of the elements in the main diagonal. Elements are like in the main diagonal. You can see this is the main diagonal here. So the elements are 4 and 8. If you find the product of 4 and 8, it should be equal to 4 by 8, like this. Then you subtract product of the elements in the other diagonal. Elements in the other diagonals are 7 and 5. So this 5 by 7. So you have that. And then 4 by 8, you get what? 32. So 4 by 8 is 32. you less 5 by 7, which will give you 35. So if you get the difference between 32 and 35, so 32 less 35 you get is negative 3. And this one is our determinant. These are simple as that, as easy as that, calculating the determinant of a 2 pi 2 matrix. So whoever was listening to this, you are welcomed for the next lesson, whereby we'll be just reviewing the calculation of the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Then from there we proceed. After you know how to calculate the determinant, now how do you calculate, how do you determine, how do you find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix? Thank you for listening. See you next time. Goodbye.